Okay, another little quick video on an accessory. We got the A-pillar mount for spotlights, floodlights. Very simple to do. This is the bracket right here, and it attaches to your factory bolts on the truck. All you're gonna need is a Torx 40 T-Torx, right? And you would take those two. Let me show you. See, you take those two those 40 Torx bolts out, and this mounting plate comes with a little backing pad. You stick the backing pad on the mounting so it doesn't scratch the paint, and then you just install the bolts again, line it up a little bit. You know, I like to have it lined up pretty straight to the windshield sill over here, and just tighten them down. And now you have a mount for nice lights, you know, spotlights, or whatever kind of lights you want to put there. I can leave a link in the description for those these mounts. They're pretty sturdy. All right, these are 7-inch, and they're pretty sturdy. And I think they're only about $10, $12. Not bad at all. I'll leave a link in the back, below. All right, guys, Motorcar Nut 2020. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much.